Hi everyone! Today we're going to make sesame seed almond bars. For this delicious recipe, you're going to need shredded coconut, raw almonds, pure vanilla extract, salt, coconut oil, sesame seeds, almond butter, honey, and a baking dish. I lined the baking dish with parchment paper at the bottom. So first let's mix in the dry ingredients. You're going to put in a large bowl the shredded coconut and the sesame seeds, almonds, and then the salt. You want to give that a good stir and make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. Then add the vanilla extract and the almond butter. And then mix all the ingredients well together. And then add the honey. This part is going to get a little bit sticky, so you might need to use your hands. So once you've mixed in all the ingredients well together, the dough should be not too sticky but also not too dry. And then you're going to use the coconut oil to grease your hands so then you can move the batter into the baking dish more easily and it won't stick to your fingers. So you want to make sure that the layer is nice and even so it cooks well in the oven. So I'm going to cook this in the oven for about 20 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's out of the oven, the top should look golden, like this. And finally, I'm going to cut the square into bars. You can cut them into 16 bars or into 8 bars. These sesame almond bars are really good, and I hope you guys try this recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time!